rifle.
Yeah. Takes piss, this, doesn't it? Proper takes the piss. Come for his groceries and there's a fucking fire. Tesco's. Oh, he's got you on your feet. Security. Yeah. Gordon Bennett. Sounds like waves are coming. Yeah.
Actually, it might be a real fire now. There's police
Oh.
there.
Yeah.
There's police there. It might be a real fire.
Is it a real fire?
I don't know, sweetheart, because we hadn't had a warning that there's something going off, so we don't know.
Sorry. Yeah.
Don't sit in the car. Come on, Reece.